Let's talk about the correct way to apply hair products. And especially if you're looking to do something like control your hair, hold your hair, there's a lot of different variables to this. First thing is, what is your desired end result? How do you want your hair to look? Do you want it to look slick back and shiny? Do you want it to look wet? Do you want it to look dry, very matte? Do you want to have texture? Do you want to enhance the curl? Do you want to look shinier and healthier? There's a million different variables of how you actually could be wearing your hair. But applying products is probably one of the, it's something that people either are really good at or they're not good at. And as a professional for over 30 years, I've seen people try to apply products themselves right in front of me, and I'm like, okay, you have no idea what you're doing. So let's talk about pre-stylers first. Let's just take Tidal Wave, for example. This is my #1 best-selling product. It's a sea salt spray. It's actually designed to give volume to the hair and some light texture. So I give this a little bit of a shake. If this hair was damp, I always say you only need a few sprays of this. I'd spray, one spray here, 2 sprays, maybe 1 spray in the front as I'm looking for like light volume and texture, just something to support the blow dry. If I'm looking for a very targeted area to have volume, then I'm going to lift the hair and spray 1 spray specifically in that area or multiple areas. So I'm going in 1 spray, 1 spray, 1 spray, and I'm gonna focus on getting volume in that one area. So think of this as like a targeted spray. And then you go and blow dry your hair. So you've got the pre-stylers, which is setting your hair up for whatever you want to do with it. And then you've got the post-styling. Do you want to have your hair all coming down in the face like this and have just some like volume and texture to it? Do you want to slick it back off of the face like this and have more of like a spiked, it all depends on you. But let's start with one variable, which is you want to have more of a matte finish and you want to have something that, it has some volume to it and some texture. I'm going to utilize my Beach House Sea Salt Hair Powder. This has been reformulated to be better than ever, and I know there's 8 million hair powders out there, but unfortunately what people are doing, especially all these random 21-year-olds that are TikTokers or say they're TikTokers, they go on, they outsource this from China, they spend, 97 cents on a hair powder, and they say it's the best thing ever, and they have no idea what they're even talking about. This is made in the USA. The highest quality sea salt is in this. It's only a handful of ingredients, and it's designed to make your hair feel conditioned and soft, but also give you volume. And this is the newest reformulated version. This is probably the best hair powder I've ever used in my career. I wish this was the first version. I wish. But now, and I put this on it, this was sent to me for the sample, just so I know, this is the one. This is the money one. So what I'm gonna do is just tap down on the top, and I'm just gonna sprinkle in like this. I'm sprinkling in lightly, and then I'm going to work that powder in. And as I'm working this powder in, I can see that I'm getting that volume. And I just sprinkle this on in one little area. But look at how much volume I'm getting, and there's no white residue, and the hair is actually very, very pliable and moldable, and it feels soft. It doesn't feel dry. Even like this one, it was way too drying to the hair, and it was awful. It went from being the worst hair powder to the best. And I please, if you purchased one in the past and, it's been reformulated, and I wish this was that version. So there's the powder. You sprinkle a little bit on, and you fluff your hair up, and then you're good to go. All right? The next thing is, if you're applying something like a hair paste or a clay or any sort of product, we're going to use my Clutch XL. This is Clutch XL. It's kind of like a waxy styling clay, but this is the OG. It's been around for quite some time. However, actually, no, this isn't the OG. This is the reformulated version. So the first Clutch XL, the original, was way too waxy. Well, this is now finally a combination of the original Clutch and XL, not as grippy and waxy. So you take a little scoop, and the first thing people do is they go right here. and they apply a product right here. Well, in fact, you're actually running your fingers through the hair, right? You're not going in with it's eventually getting to the palm, but the first thing you want to do is work it through your fingers up here, because this is what's going to be introducing the product to the hair. So it's in the fingers and then the palm. So work it through, and now it's time to apply it. And you can see the first movement I do is with this, not this. So I'm going to work this in, and now it's then gliding into the palm. So it first starts off with the fingers. This way you're getting that maximum product there, and then it works its way down through the palm here, okay? And as I mentioned, this is more of a light kind of waxy clay, but it's really an incredible product. I love this product. It's got like a cinnamon whiskey scent to it, but look at all that volume and look at all that texture. So it's gonna give you a slight kind of waxy feel, like a waxy type coating, which controls your hair really, really well. It's great for restyling, but there you go. Now it's ready to be reshaped. It's ready to be, set it and forget it, whatever you want to do, but the hair is good to go. And that's it. You can then either finish this off with a hairspray, leave it as is. Here is the next part of this whole thing where I think a lot of people get this wrong, is they'll say, oh, I want something that has super strong hold but pliable. That doesn't, you can't have that, because super strong hold, think about that. It's like crazy glue. Imagine saying, oh, I want to use crazy glue to make it hold, but I want to be able to move it around. It makes no sense. So people keep doing this to where, and I see it all the time, and I've been seeing it for years. If you want your hair to hold, then you can't have something that's super pliable. Because once you start, what is pliability? The option to make it reworkable and to shape it and to move it and to do whatever and to make it pliable, okay? That's what this is. That's what I'm doing right now. It's the pliability. However, guess what that's doing? After you work your fingers through it enough, especially on something that has stronger hold, and you want a set it and forget it hairstyle, the problem is that you're going to start to break down that hold because of you running your fingers through it and breaking down the product and softening the product. So that's why I suggest that if you're going to have something that's designed to just, make your hair super strong as far as the hold goes, you apply it to your hair and then you leave it. The minute you start running your fingers through it over and over again, you're just breaking down that shape, that style you did, right? You're creating separation, you're creating, added texture, you're creating pliability on something that will eventually start to break down. So if you do want to have good pliable hold that isn't bulletproof, then yeah, I have loads of products you can check out. But also keep in mind, the more you do this to your hair, it's going to flatten down and break down that product. I invite you to explore and check out my full range of products, which is available, especially Beach House. If you are a hair powder person and you've been buying all these hair powders from these fake hair scammers, well, I have something for you that is an alternative that's made in the United States, that is high quality. It makes your hair feel soft, no white residue, and it also gives you the amazing texture and volume. I wish this was the original version of this. So check it out right here, view products. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.